All right, we are on the Calaveras, freelining bread on an ultralight. Shit, set up in a minute. I gotta get it untangled. I pulled up. I already seen some boils, some swirls. So they're here and they're feeding. Normally they go somewhere where I can't cast to them. Yep, there's definitely a couple right here. They really like the sun, so it's kind of surprising that they're here this early before the sun even comes in. On one. Told you it wouldn't take too long. I'll try this drag down a little bit. I got 6-pound line and an ultralight and a size 6 hook, so it's a fight for sure. It feels heavy. I think I'm just wrapped around him. He's giving me some shakes. Yeah, I'm wrapped around him, I think. There we go, it popped. Oh, he's doing barrel rolls and shit. Oh, he's not very big. That's okay. Yeah, I keep getting wrapped around one of his fins, and that's what's making him heavier than he actually is. Not too sure how to stop that. Come here. Okay. Got his head. He's in. He's in the net. Oh, my net screw's loose. Oh. I got him out. Oh yeah, he's probably about 5. He's got a little belly on him. Oh, okay, now we're thrashing. Let's not thrash. I'm trying to lay him down. There. See, he wants to thrash. I gotta open my bail. Tire out, dude. Probably like that the whole fight. There we go. Hopefully the camera can see him. I might take a photo with my phone if I need to. Nice little common. That's about all that's in here. I know I said 5, but I'm gonna change that to 4. Little FN right here. You going thrash, watch. Oh, come here. Third one. Stepping in the water. Turn that drag up. Just get down. He's gonna put me in the reeds again. I can already tell. Oh, get off. Oh. Jesus Christ. Damn, he's got me way out there. He's got me in the tree. There we go. Damn, it's gonna be far out. Yeah. Do you know how big this one was? Did you see him eat? What is he? Oh, you didn't see him? Jesus Christ. He's got me all up in these sticks. There we go. Got the sticks. He feels okay. Feels like a good number. I'm not gonna say that number though. We just caught like a 7 probably. I didn't say much because I didn't have my GoPro on me when I caught him. There we go, this guy's running out. There we go. This is when a fight gets easy. Fight's never easy, but makes it easier. Okay. He's coming up to the top. I don't see him. No, please don't do this again. Jesus, and that's like high drag too. Oh, no, that was a different jump. That was a whole different fish there. Oh, he's got me in the reeds, man. Always with the reeds. I gotta let him run out. I can't see shit. Such a tight spot. Yeah, dude, he's got me wrapped. I'm taking everything off of me. And I'm getting in this motherfucking water. Yeah, I gotta do what I gotta do, dude. I'm gonna get my shoes wet and everything. Guess we're going for a swim. It looks deep. I don't want to make that step. I want to make sure he can unsnag himself. If I gotta get in there, I gotta get in there. Well, this guy wrapped me up in the reeds. I had to take a swim for him. It's not off the hook yet, but yeah. Third one, I think. All right, Brandon got the little die. All right, go do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. Little fatty, Brandon caught it. Little fatty.